walking up my road. The street is clear, but they haven't gotten to these backside streets, and this basically was one plowing by a truck. They did not hit all the side streets. The rest of this is the tracks of whatever four-wheel drives that came through here. And if you notice, there's kind of like a lip. So that's the groove. So it extends all the way up through the neighborhood. It's a pretty healthy snow. About 24, 26 inches. As you can see by evidence of the snow on top of the trash can, that lid is a flat lid. So that's a good 2 feet of snow. Enough to almost cover the tires on that pickup truck. Fortunately, it doesn't seem to be any overhanging limbs that are touching any electric wires, so there's still power in this area, which is a good thing. Take a look at the top of the roof. It's amazing, isn't it? It's a lot of snow on top of the roof. So as we come around into my neighborhood, you can see how much snow the drift is. I'm crossing over one ridge onto another, and you can see it right here. This is ground level, and you can see the pretty healthy ridge. And now, as we get into my side street, you can see that the only thing in is the path that I made coming out, and one person made coming in. Oh, they were coming into my house, of course, you know that. So, this is a pretty healthy track. And there I am, walking in the snow. Beautiful night. I capture the essence of a winter wonderland. Blizzard of the decade. Actually, the blizzard of the century in this area. Very, very, very quiet. A few neighbors out trying to shovel out early. I was going to be one of them, but I'm tired, so I'll wait until tomorrow. This is called packed powder. Kind of snow that you would have in the rural areas if I had cross-country snow boots, snowshoes, or skis. This would be a nice easy walk, but I'm laboring just to go a quarter of a mile. Whew. Oh boy. So we're gonna stop right here and check you later.